Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the Fiat 500x. Okay, 500x. Yeah. Okay. So you need a screwdriver. Okay. You need to push the cover up. Yeah. You see the slot there, 2 day. Yeah. You just push it up like that. Okay. The other side as well. You push. Yeah. You push it up. Okay. And then once it's up, open it. Use the pound coin. Yeah. Unlock it. You see the battery is in there. Okay, just gently apply the battery CR2032 battery up. Yeah. Okay, here CR2032 battery. Okay, to replace it, go in like that. Okay, press it down. put the battery cover on. Okay, lock it, and then put the cover on. Yeah, line up like that. Yeah. Okay, press it down. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.